Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hang glider at home. Building a hang glider is an ambitious and potentially dangerous endeavor, so safety must be your absolute top priority. It is crucial to understand the immense risks involved with homemade aircraft. Before even thinking about construction, dedicate significant time to researching aerodynamics, materials science, and structural integrity. Starting with smaller, non-flying models can help you practice essential building techniques and gain valuable experience. For your hang glider, material selection is paramount. You will need high-strength, aircraft-grade aluminum tubing for the frame, ensuring it can withstand flight stresses. The wing will require durable Dacron sailcloth, often weighing about 4 to 6 ounces per square yard, cut and sewn with precision. Strong stainless steel cables and fittings are essential for all rigging and control systems. Always follow established design plans meticulously, paying close attention to every measurement. The construction phase demands meticulous attention to detail. Start by assembling the aluminum frame, ensuring every joint is securely fastened with aircraft-grade hardware. Next, carefully cut and sew your Dacron sail, maintaining the precise aerodynamic shape and tensions specified in your plans. Then, attach the control bar and all rigging cables, verifying their alignment and smooth operation. Double-check every connection and stress point, reinforcing as needed for maximum safety. Before any flight, rigorous ground testing is absolutely critical. Perform static load tests and thoroughly check all control surfaces for proper function. It is highly recommended to seek professional inspection from experienced hang glider builders or aviation authorities. You must also understand and comply with all local aviation regulations and certification requirements. Never attempt a first flight without expert supervision and a comprehensive pre-flight checklist to ensure maximum safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.